morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Mahoney coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, November 16th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 42 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 60 and a low of 44, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Nandini, Alex,
Salvo,
Caitlin,
Kendall.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. Last night, the Blackhawks lost to the Winnipeg Jets by a score of 4-0, and the Bulls won against the Portland Trail Blazers with a score of 113-88. Clubs meeting today are First Grade Poetry Club at 11 o'clock in room 108, Grade 1 Scrapbooking Club in the library at 11 o'clock, Kindergarten Poetry Club in room 101 at 11:45, and Math Olympiad in the library at 11:45. Announcements for today are the district food drive is over. The primary classroom that brought in the most food items was room 121 with 59 items. The intermediate classroom that brought in the most food items was room 204 with 161 items. As a school, we collected 1,089 items. Great job, Hoover! Tonight is the second grade concert at Keller. Join the second graders and their families at 6:30 as they sing Disney songs. Since Mr. Schmelcher is not here, I am announcing that this lunchbox was left on 79B. Come to the office to claim it. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that today is National Fast Food Day? First popularized in the United States in the 1950s, fast food is considered any meal with low preparation time and served to a customer for quick dine-in, takeout, or delivery, and typically has a drive-through window. On this day each year, people all across the country go to their favorite fast food restaurant to celebrate. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 4th graders in room 116. Have a Wish It Was Friday Wednesday.